This is a 2000 or May of 2000 Ford Lightning. He wanted to do a color change. So I am blowing this thing apart. That way it's the easiest to prep and paint.
All right, we got this cab and the bed both prepped out in the same way. We got 500 grit on everything, especially the primered areas, got them all knocked smooth with 500 grit. And then went back over all the jams and grooves and edges and corners and stuff with a gray Scotch pad and scuff stuff. But it made a pretty big mess. And before we paint, I always like to make sure that we pressure wash everything and just make sure that there's not a bunch of dirt and dust and grime and stuff all up on the inside of all the parts. So we're gonna go ahead and get this all pressure washed up and tomorrow paint. Let's get this thing all masked up and ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and just shoot the bottom sides of these first, just because I want to shoot them laying flat. It makes it a little bit easier to get all this stuff to lay out nice and smooth when it's laying flat, and don't really got to worry about runs and stuff. And just makes for a little bit nicer job because I can shoot the fronts of these when this is all masked off, and this is where all the dirt's going to be coming from. So I can just kind of encapsulate this in masking paper, make sure that none of the schmutz is coming out from inside here, getting on the face. Same with the hood. This one, I can shoot the jam at the same time as the top because it's all pretty much the same.